Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Silvia Paroi, Assistant Professor of Community Medicine Department at the Akij Medical College, Khulna. Today we discuss about rapid sand filters. Rapid sand filter are of two types. One gravity type or Peterson's filter and the pressure type. Pressure type also known as Candice filter. Both the types are in use. Following steps are involved in the purification of water by rapid sand filter. First step is coagulation. The raw water is first treated with a chemical coagulant such as alum, the dose of which varies from 5 to 40 mg or more per liter depending upon the turbidity and color, temperature and the pH value of the water. Second step is rapid mixing. Treated water is then subjected to violent agitation in a mixing chamber for a few minutes. This allows a quick and thorough dissemination of alum throughout the bulk of water, which is very necessary. Third step is flocculation. Next phase involves a slow and gentle flocculation, stirring of the treated water in a flocculation chamber for about 30 minutes. Mechanical type of flocculation is the most widely used. It consists of a number of paddles which rotates at 2 to 4 rem per minute. This slow and gentle stirring results in the formation of a thick, copious white flocculent precipitate of a aluminium hydroxide. The thicker the precipitate or floc diameter, the greater the settling velocity. Fourth step is sedimentation. The coagulated water is now laid into sedimentation tanks where it is detained for periods varying from 2 to 6 hours. When the flocculant precipitate together with impurities and bacteria settle down in the tank. At least 95% of the flocculant precipitate needs to be removed before the water is admitted into the rapid sand filters. For proper maintenance, the tank should be cleaned regularly from time to time, otherwise they may become a breeding ground for molluscs and sponges. Fifth step is filtration. Partly clarified water is now subjected to rapid sand filtration. In filtration, when filtration proceeds, the alum floc not removed by sedimentation is held back on the sand bed. It forms a slimy layers comparable to the jugular layer in the slow sand filters. It absorbs bacteria from the water and effects purification. Oxidation of ammonia also takes place during the passage of water through the filters. As filtration proceeds, the suspended impurities and bacteria clog the filters. The filters soon become dirty and begin to lose their efficiency. When the loss of head approaches 7 to 8 feet, filtration is stopped and the filters are subjected to washing process known as backwashing. Now we see what is backwashing. Already I said that when the loss of head approaches 7 to 8 feet, filtration is stopped and the filters are subjected to a washing process known as backwashing. Rapid sand filters need frequent washing, daily or weekly. Washing is accomplished by reversing the flow of water through the sand bed. The whole process of washing takes about 15 minutes. Now we see the advantage of rapid sand filter. Rapid sand filter can deal with raw water directly. No preliminary storage is needed. Secondly, the filter beds occupy less space. Filtration is rapid, 40 to 50 times that of a slow sand filter. The washing of the filter is easy. And fifth, there is more flexibility in operation. Now, we are like to know disinfection. Disinfection is third step. Have the following criteria. It should be capable of destroying the pathogenic organisms within the contact time and not influenced by physical and chemical properties of water, that temperature, pH and mineral constituents. Should not leave products of reaction which render the water toxic or impart color or otherwise make it unpotable. Today I like to close my lecture. In next lecture we also see chlorination and slow purification of water on a small scale. So thank you everybody.